Good day, traders. Welcome to the Forex Hub International Financial Market Digest. Today brings a fresh wave of opportunities from around the globe. Let's dive into what's driving the markets today. In the U.S. markets, the Dow Jones rose by 0.5%, while the S&P 500 added 0.4%, closing at 4,478. The Nasdaq, however, fell 0.3%, dragged down by tech losses. Investors are awaiting this week's key U.S. inflation data with a potential impact on interest rate expectations. In Europe, the FTSE 100 was up by 0.2%, driven by gains in the energy sector. However, inflation remains a concern as the latest harmonized index of consumer prices for the Eurozone rose by 5.3% year-on-year, surpassing expectations. This has fueled speculation that the European Central Bank might raise interest rates. In Asia, Japan's Nikkei 225 climbed 0.8% after the country's GDP grew 2.9% in the second quarter, exceeding forecasts. Meanwhile, China's Shanghai Composite dropped 0.4% as the country's consumer price index showed a modest rise of 0.5%, reflecting weak domestic demand despite strong export growth. In Forex, the dollar-yen remains at 143, with investors awaiting the U.S. inflation report later this week. The euro-dollar is stable at 1.07, but could face volatility following the European Central Bank's rate decision. The pound-dollar edged up to 1.31, buoyed by a positive UK employment report showing an increase in employment of 102,000 in the latest quarter. In commodities, Brent crude is trading at 71.8 per barrel, down 0.2%, while West Texas Intermediate stands at 68.6 per barrel, amid oversupply concerns and lower demand from China. Gold remains steady at 1,900 per ounce, as it continues to attract safe haven flows. In the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin is consolidating at 58,000, with strong resistance around 58,200. Ethereum, on the other hand, is struggling to gain momentum, hovering at 2,320 after an unsuccessful attempt to break above 2,400. Key economic events to watch this week include the European Central Bank's rate decision and the U.S. Consumer Price Index report, both of which are expected to have significant impacts on market direction. Thank you for tuning in to today's Market Digest. Be sure to subscribe for more updates on the latest financial trends.